What is head and shoulder? Head and shoulder comes at the end of a bull trend. So basically the buyers in control, they are going up, 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 then they come to a correction, then they go back up, push it up, further up, and they make the head. And the first one was the left shoulder. They start coming back down, they come down like this, then they try again, but they fail. See, they come back down here. Once they come back down like this, we see we have two lows right there. We connect those two lows with a line, connect them like this. And this is called the neckline. Once this neckline is broken, this initiates a sell to the downside. Okay, so basically we will have a sell to continue all the way down here. What's your target? How much it could fall? We measure this distance from this point all the way down to here. Then we take this and we paste it down here. Okay, and that's your target. This distance between the neckline and the top head right here. This is a reversal pattern. What does this mean is when the bull's in control, this head and shoulder happen right here at the end, then the market will reverse. So it's a reversal pattern. It happens at the top. This simply is head and shoulder. Let's have an example. A left shoulder where the price was pushing up right here. You can see this area right there. The price did come to find a support at the same level. If you watch it, those two levels are the same. Then the price did go to make a higher high, which it made a head. Then right there, it did come back to find a support at the same level. Then it did try to go back up to make this right shoulder. So basically, the buyers are losing. They couldn't break this high and make a new high. They couldn't create a higher price. So basically, the buyers are losing. So once it was broken right here, the sellers took control of it and they push it so much down. How much? We measure this distance from the top, we take it, and that's our target. It did get the target and a little bit more. Subscribe and follow. Thank you.